You walk away from a troubling conversation and everything seems okay. And then in a little while, it starts. The questions come into your mind. Why did they do that to me? Why did I say that? And it keeps going and happening over and over again. And you're lost in a loop of questions and sensations of tightness in the body. And the troubling and most frustrating part of this is that you know that thinking about it doesn't heal it, doesn't change it. It keeps happening again and again. And eventually, we lose control. We feel that we're not in control of this, and we feel that there's something wrong with us. Sound familiar? But you know, there's nothing wrong with you. It wasn't the conversation that triggered you. It was what it touched upon. And what it touched upon was a belief, an old trauma, an old feeling of something that happened in your past. And when those things happen, both the mind and the body get imprinted with stress, mental stress, bad memories, and the somatized stress that goes into the body. And when we only think about what happened, what went wrong, we're only sort of working on the thinking process of it. And that's just not enough. That's why it keeps coming back. We need to also release the feeling and the sensation that's in the body. And when we can do both of those, we can begin to get some relief. So let's give it a try right now, okay? So I'd like you to sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And if you can't close your eyes, then follow me with your eyes open. Take a nice deep breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel how wonderful it is to breathe. And allow yourself just to get quiet. Good. Now, think of something that upset you today or this week, this month, whatever. Something that triggered you. And remember it. Go back in time. Go back to when it happened. Imagine that you're there. Who was there with you? What was said? What was done? What was your reaction? Relive it, so to speak. Go ahead. Yeah. It's a powerful thing, memory. It almost takes us back like we're there, reliving it again. And what you're going to notice is that you're having sensations in your body. And these sensations are related not only to that situation, but earlier wounds that you had when you were young. So now stop thinking about what happened and put all of your attention on your body. Do a body scan, so to speak. Where in your body do you feel the strongest sensation? And put your attention there. Maybe it's your shoulders or your neck or your throat or your heart. Put your attention there. Sort of like saying, there you are, tension in my heart or in my shoulder. I see you. I feel you. And I invite you to release. And then feel the sensation That's not thinking, that's feeling. Good. You may notice that thoughts are coming into your mind. The same thoughts that you might have had back then. Don't put your attention on the thoughts. Don't fight them, but just come back to the sensation in your body. Biting it, feeling it. Is it sharp? Is it dull? What color does it have? What energy does it have around it? You're feeling an energy. You're remembering an energy maybe when you were very young. And you're just acknowledging it. Hi there, energy. I feel you, and I invite you to release. Take a breath in and let that breath go into that area of the body and fill it with love and light. And release. Good. From time to time, don't be upset if the mind goes to those thoughts. That's not good. Those judgments. That's the mind just doing its job. Say thank you, mind, and come back to this sensation. And watch it maybe get stronger and then finally release. And as it releases, just say yes. Even if it's just a little. I have control over this situation through my attention and my allowance to feel the sensation. And notice how the thought feels now. Easier. Notice how the body is so much more relaxed. Great. And just notice how you have control over this. And just realize that when you get triggered, it's not because something bad is happening to you. Let's reframe that and say, oh, my mind and my body are telling me that something inside of me still needs to be released and healed. And that I'm on a journey, not a fight. I'm on a healing journey with myself. I'm going to allow and feel good that I now have a way to deal with it and release it. Great. All right then. Well, I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. See you in the next video.